In this video, I'll teach you how to create a lens flare effect in Photoshop. So to do that, we'll come to filter. You can see lens flare effect here, but this is because I've recently used it. So let's just follow the real procedure. So we are going to come over to render here, and then we'll come to lens flare and look at it here. So this is how it is. This is on 39. We can choose to make it more to maybe 100, or we can choose to reduce it to 90 or 61, anyhow you want it to be. Let's leave it at 67. Okay, so this plus sign, now this plus sign, you just navigate it to where you want your lens flare to be. Do you want it here? Do you want it here? Where do you want it? So you can put it here, but where I want it to be around here. Yes, around here. So you can see our lens flare here. It's mostly used, you can see it's used in some cinematic videos, some video posters, or some even the start of some videos. You can see it. So that's how you create a lens flare, and then we are going to just hit on OK, and you see that. But first of all, let's just add it a little bit, not too much to make it too obvious. Yes, 76 is okay, and let's hit on OK. It's going to process, and here is our lens flare effect. So this is how you do that. You can still reduce this. You just need to go back to filter and lens flare. Let's just use the shortcut there. So let's just reduce it to maybe 60, and okay, and you see that that's been reduced. So it depends on how much you want it to be or how less you want it to be. You can just adjust it anyhow you want it to be, and that's going to work for you. So thank you. Please remember to subscribe and come back for more.